Namaste there yogis and welcome to this 5-minute morning yoga stretch. We will begin right away in child's pose. Come towards the back of your yoga mat. Bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Widen your knees as much as you want to. Then walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. Lower your chest down and rest your forehead on the ground. Take a nice deep cleansing breath in through your nose and a slow calming breath out. Once more. Breathe in through your nose. Slow, calming breath out. Now stay in your child's pose. We're going to add a side body stretch. Lift your belly and chest up. Walk your hands towards the right side of your yoga mat. Place your left hand on top of your right and then rest your forehead down on the ground. Breathe, especially into your left side body. Ground down through both sitting bones. Very nice. And then lift your belly and chest up. Walk your hands over towards the left side of your yoga mat. And place your right hand on top of your left. Rest your forehead on the ground. And take a deep breath. Open up your right side body. Keep breathing. Keep grounding down through both sitting bones. Nicely done. And then lift your tummy and chest up. Walk back to center to your child's pose. Rest your forehead on the ground. And now lift the base of your palms up so you're resting on your fingertips. Take a deep breath and notice a stretch. Notice a length in your spine. Notice a stretch in your armpits and your chest, your upper back, your shoulder blades. One more deep breath. Good. And then place the base of your palms back down and come on all fours position with your knees directly under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift the crown of your head and tailbone up. As you breathe out, bring the crown of your head and tailbone down. Keep going. So as you breathe in, drop your belly, lift your gaze. And as you breathe out, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Do a few more of these cat-cow pose exercises. Follow your breath. Great. Make it your last breathing cycle. And then come to a neutral spine. Breathe in. As you exhale, look over your right shoulder and slightly shift your weight towards your left side. Keep breathing. Then as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look over your left shoulder, just for a gentle neck stretch. Keep breathing. Let your breath flow naturally. Wonderful. And then slowly come back to center. And take a seat in a cross-legged position. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift your arms up. Keep lengthening up, lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, twist your chest to your right side. Place your left hand on your right knee, right hand next to your right seat on the ground. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. And then as you inhale, come back, lift your arms up. As you breathe out, rotate your chest to your left. Place your right hand on your left knee, left hand next to your left hip on the ground. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit further. Keep everything else relaxed, like your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Nice. And then slowly as you inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center. Exhale. Lower your arms down, place your hands on your knees, and take a moment here. Notice how you feel. Notice how your body feels. Notice your breath. And then let's seal our practice together. Bring your arms out to the sides, palms facing up. Breathe in, circle your arms up, and gather all the love, light, and positive energy. Breathe out, unite your palms, and bring that beautiful positive energy into your whole being. Place your hands in front of your heart in prayer position, and fill yourself with gratitude and praise. Thank yourself for showing up for yourself, your self-care practice, your yoga practice. It's my wish that this is a blessing to you and your loved ones. And I wish you a beautiful day. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!